Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz, and I know last week I did a review on the Nike Epic React and the white and navy blue colorway. I liked them so much that I couldn't really resist to buy a third pair. I know, 3 of them. It is such a great shoe that I couldn't help myself at all, so let's take a look. There you go. So I grabbed the triple black, and I wasn't supposed to buy it, but the all black one is such a good shoe, because you know, like if you have a white midsole, it will get dirty more or less, but if you have a black one, it's gonna stay cleaner for a longer amount of time. And since I live in Sweden, it's a little bit dirtier compared to like I used to live in LA, so boom, that's the main reason. So let's take it out. I'm gonna place myself where there's no place to sit right. I'm on vacation, if you haven't really noticed that. So I'm gonna take one off so you can see it. Here you go. So here is the Nike Epic React in a triple black colorway. Looks super clean. I already did a review last week, so if you want to go in and see like a more in-depth look, this will be more of a quick little run through of this triple black colorway. So just like the previous version, previous week, flying it upper, really good, soft, nice, and then you have the black swoosh with the black thin laces, and this is a one-piece upper, so you don't really need the laces. It's still here. It's for the looks of it, for my feet that is. And then you have the thing that makes this shoe so popular, the Epic React foam. This is what makes everything, the experience, the running, everything. I've been running with this one a little bit now on vacation, and I gotta say that I love it. I'll probably do bigger in-depth, just like the running, how it feels like when I've been running for not just one time, but maybe like 3 or 4 different times, so I can give a more honest review what I think about it. But so far, I gotta say, I love this one. It's a bit springy and bouncy, and I really like it. And then around the Epic React foam, we have this blue, really vivid strengthening part back here that's gonna add a lot more stability to when you're running. Same thing with the upper part right here, the heel part that's gonna also stabilize your running experience. But these two together is gonna make it so much better. It says Nike Epic React right here, and at the inner part it says nothing at all. It says Nike right here, and then at the back of the shoe, at the pull tab, it says Epic React, and we also have a little 3M at the back. Really nice. And that's about it here. And inner sock liner is all black with the really vivid blue swoosh logo, and that's also where the information label is located. It is located at the inner sock liner. And outsole, just same, all black. Nike, the swoosh logo at the bottom part. And here, compared to the other ones, the white and the navy blue, you had a white foam React, and then at the top, at the bottom, you have this translucent slash light blue turquoise kind of look. But here everything is black on black, and I think that this looks really good, and it will probably keep it a little bit cleaner. I've been running with it, so you can't really tell, but if I was supposed to run with the white ones, it would be a lot dirtier than it is right now. So I gotta say that I love this shoe. So let's take an on-feet look. So that was my little quick review of the Nike Epic React in the triple black colorway. Love this shoe, super comfortable, looks excellent on feet. You gotta take a look one more time. Take a look at this. It's a really good looking shoe, feels excellent. and there's nothing bad I gotta say about this shoe. So once again, if you want to see a more in-depth look, last week's review, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. Love this shoe. Excellent. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, click right here or click right here to see last week's review of the Nike Epic React for a more detailed review. So thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome week. I know I will.